Hello and welcome to this lesson titled Emotions in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a list of emotions in Afrikaans and also be able to make a few sentences using the emotions you've learned in Afrikaans. There will be no revision for this lesson. It's also a long lesson, so there won't be a word list. Emosies, emotions. Gelukkig, gelukkig, gelukkig. Happy. Hoopvol, hoopvol, hoopvol. Hopeful. Lief or liefde. Lief or liefde. Love. I speak under correction, but I believe you use the word lief when it's used as a verb and liefde when it is used as a noun. So, ek is lief vir jou, I love you, but kom ons praat oor liefde. Let's talk about love. Verbaas, verbaas, verbaas. Surprised. Opgewonde, opgewonde, opgewonde. Excited. Vrolik, vrolik, vrolik. Joyful. Kwaad, kwaad, kwaad. Angry. Bang, bang, bang. Afraid. Hartseer, hartseer, hartseer. Sad. Vertrou, vertrou, vertrou. Trust. Geskok, geskok, geskok. Shocked. Trots, trots, trots. Proud. Skuldig, skuldig, skuldig. Guilty. Haat, haat, haat. Hate. Verwerp, verwerp, verwerp. Rejected. Dankbaar, dankbaar, dankbaar. Grateful. Eensaam, eensaam, eensaam. Lonely. Teleurgesteld, teleurgesteld, teleurgesteld. Disappointed. Skaam, skaam, skaam. Shy. Verward, verward, verward. Confused. Angstig, angstig, angstig. Anxious. Ontstig, ontstig, ontstig. Annoyed. Bedruk, bedruk, bedruk. Depressed. Bedreig, bedreig, bedreig. Threatened. Verwaarloos, verwaarloos, verwaarloos. Neglected. tevrede, tevrede, tevrede. Content. Verstom, verstom, verstom. Amazed. Skandelijk, skandelijk, skandelijk. Shameful. Verveeld, verveeld, verveeld. Bored. Ontsteld, ontsteld, ontsteld. Dismayed. Empathie, 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 empathy. Geïnspireerd, geïnspireerd, geïnspireerd. Inspired. Radeloos, radeloos, radeloos. Desperate. Optimistisch, optimistisch, optimistisch. Optimistic. Pessimistisch, 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 pessimistic. So let's have a look at our activiteit. Here are some sentences that you can make with the words you've just learned. Ek is kwaad. Ek is kwaad. Ek is teleurgesteld. Ek is teleurgesteld. Ek is dankbaar. Ek is dankbaar. Ek is verveeld. Ek is verveeld. Ek is skaam. Ek is skaam. So take a moment and see if you know what this means, if you're able to translate this to English, and then we'll have a look at the answers. Okay, so here's the translations. Ek is kwaad. I am angry. Ek is teleurgesteld. I am disappointed. Ek is dankbaar. I am thankful or grateful. Ek is verveeld. I am bored. Ek is skaam. I am shy. So with bored, if you say ek is vervelig, it means I am boring. So be careful with that one. Verveeld is bored, but vervelig is boring. So unless you want to be boring, don't say ek is vervelig. Now your turn to make some sentences. Can you make sentences with the following words? Eensaam, geskok, gelukkig, vertrou, skuldig. Okay, take a moment, see if you can make sentences of those, and then we'll look at some examples. Okay, here we go. Antwoorde, answers. You could have said, ek is eensaam. Ek is eensaam. Ek is geskok. Ek is geskok. Ek is gelukkig. Ek is gelukkig. Ek vertrou, or ek vertrou jou. Ek is skuldig, or ek voel skuldig. So with vertrou, it is I trust, ek vertrou, or ek vertrou jou, I trust you. With skuldig, it is ek is skuldig, I am guilty, or ek voel skuldig, I feel guilty. Now quickly try and make a sentence with empathy. So just like you can't say I am empathy in English, you also can't say ek is empathie in Afrikaans. So ask yourself, what sentence can I make in English with empathy? Yes, something like, I have empathy. And then you ask yourself, what is have in Afrikaans? Well, it will depend on the context, but in this context, it will be het. So a sentence you can make is, ek het empathie. I have empathy. And that's us for today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Dankie dat julle gekyk het en ek hoop om julle in die volgende les te sien.